Hi, my lovely ladies. My name is Bren, and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. You can receive 30% off most pieces by entering the promo code BEAUTIFULYOU at checkout. When Jon Renau is allowing their sales, you can enter JR30 and receive 30% off of those pieces as well. Wig Studio One also provides a large online support group on Facebook. It is called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. When you join, you'll find a lot of ladies just like you suffering from hair loss, whether it may be from trichotillomania, chemo, heredity, whatever the case may be, we're there to help you and support you through it. It does get easier, I promise you that. And it gets so much easier when you have the encouragement of other women that know what you're going through, because it's just so lonely, but it doesn't have to be. If you're interested, I have a YouTube channel. It is called Fake Hair Real Talk with Bren. And on that channel, I share with you tips and tricks that I've learned along my hair loss journey, which has been pretty crazy. I also sell pieces that I have reviewed and pieces that I've purchased on my own. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all hop over and join me, and I'd love to see y'all there. A wig review on Jon Renau's Mila. This is the second Mila I've had, and I think she's just really a cute piece. When I first started wearing wigs, to me she felt really thick, and I thinned out my original like crazy. I thinned her out so much. Now, no, I don't have to. I guess you just get used to it, but I love her. And let's talk about her color. This color is very confusing to me, y'all. It is 1230 BT, and it is root beer flow. Guys, I don't know how to explain this color. I have a light down here. I'll take it outside. I've watched videos. It's just a confusing color to me. I don't know whether to call it a red. I don't know to call it an ashy brown, light brown, warm light brown. Let me read what they say it is, okay? They say it's a light golden brown, medium red gold blend with red tips. I don't see any red tips. I don't know. But I will take y'all outside so maybe you can see, and I don't know. She's gorgeous, gorgeous wig though. And she has a full mono top, which means it will look like it's growing out of your scalp. She has a lace front, and it's a good lace front with this being a lighter color. And with her having the full mono top, you can part her any direction, to the right, to the left, middle. You can even cut bangs. She has open weft for breathability. And if you like, she comes in a petite cap as well. So that's exciting for us people with small heads. This one is not a petite, and it fits me okay. So just saying. She has the velvet ear tabs, and it has the adjustable stays inside. She doesn't have an extended nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. And when you find your spot with it, just leave it so you don't wear out that Velcro. Okay, let's put her on. She's really cute. And I think she's just really believable. You could pull her back. part her. That, or you could part her over here. You could part her down the middle, or you could put bangs in her very easily. You could put a full bang or a side bang. Okay, let's look at her lace front. Yes, I burnt myself in the worst spot ever. Let's go over her measurements. My head is 21 inches around. My hairline to my chin is 8 and my neck is 4. So I'm going to give you the measurements, and maybe if you know yours, it'll help you kind of know where she's going to fall. Her bangs are 8.5. The crown is 10 and the sides are 6.25. So that's going to give you this cute layering that kind of gives you more body. And the nape is 4.25. Okay, let's do a spin. I really love this piece. To me, it's just an easy piece. The bangs, you can make them stay over, and she's got such a cute curl to her. You could pull her, you know, pull her off the sides. You could even put her up just a little right there. You could even put her in a claw clip and pull some of these curlies. She's very versatile, and with her having the full mono and being able to part her any direction, and also if you want to cut a full bang in her, you could very easily. She's so cute. Okay, let's go outside and take a look at this color in regular lighting. Hi guys, I'm out here, and this really allows you to see the confusion, the reason for the confusion. She looks like a cool, dark blonde. And this is regular light, or a very, very light brown. See? But then in some lights, she looks more warm. Alright guys, I hope this helped. If it did, like and subscribe.